video, we are going to see how to use a composite network block in ETAP. You can actually simplify your large power system models by building the subsystem inside a composite network block. Select the composite network block from the AC Edit toolbar and place it on the OLV. Connect this block to the rest of your system. Double-click the block and you can enter into the composite network block where you will build your subsystem. After building your subsystem, return to the OLV. Now, your subsystem is inside your composite block. You can also rename your composite network block. Switch room 1. Now, instead of recreating the same subsystem repeatedly, you can copy paste the same block and reuse it in your SLD wherever needed, which will also have the same subsystem within it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you found this content useful. See you in another tooltip video.